Continuing with our strings 2 program, I'm going to delete everything except the definition of parrot on line 3 and also the first slice. The start, stop and step values in a slice can also be negative. So let's add some code on line 7, print, then left parentheses, parrot, left square bracket, -4, :2, right square bracket, then right parentheses. Now if we run this, we'll find that this actually doesn't print out anything. So it doesn't print the 2 characters starting 4 in from the end of the string, and it's printing nothing as I mentioned. And that's because you can't go backwards from the starting position. So instead, we'd have to write that as the -4, which we've got, but then -2. And it's a comment that should give us BL. And it's another example, print, parentheses, parrot again, then left square bracket, -4, :12, right square bracket, right parentheses, then that will actually give us the same thing. So if we run this, you can see we've got BL in both cases there. So the first one on line 7, that prints from index -4, and that's B, capital B, up to but not including the second to last character in the string, which is U. Now the second example on line 8 prints the same thing, but this time it's interpreted as from index -4 up to but not including index position 12. So spend some time experimenting with negative indices. There's nothing tricky about them. They're just counting from the end of the string instead of from the beginning. Make sure you can reproduce all the slices from the last video using negative indices. I'll do the one on line 5 just to get you started. And we'll do that just immediately under line 5. So the negative version of that would be print, parentheses, parrot, square bracket, -14, :-8. Then we want our right square bracket, right parentheses, and that should give us the same result. So let's just run that to make sure that it works. And you can see we've got Norweg outputted twice. So again, make sure you go through and reproduce all the slices from the last video using negative indices to really make sure that you understand how they work. But also, with that said, create your own strings and practice on them as well. In the next video, we'll see how to use a step in our slices. See you in the next video.